Hey, you are looking at the screen which is projected with the latest model from Volto. This one right here is the Sky 118. And this is what you get with this new video projector. The size of the screen is about 120 inches, and the distance from the screen to the projector is 4 meters. So the native resolution of the Sky 118 is 1280. It's right here, this one. Is 1280 by 800 pixels. As we can see that the tiniest bars are right here, 1280. This is the resolution. The brightness of this projector is 700 ANSI Lumens. That's a lot for a projector, and even with the lights on, we can see that the screen is just very bright. The operating system is Android 9, and this is the home screen. It looks like this. It has Google Play, and it has all of the favorite apps such as YouTube, Netflix, Disney Plus, and Hulu. You can also wirelessly cast your screen via Miracast, and for Apple devices, just use AirPlay. This model is the latest model, and it has some upgrades from last year. You have more languages, you have more picture adjustments. This model also has autofocus and auto vertical keystone adjustment. This model also supports 3D. Right here is the setting, side by side or top and bottom. This projector is not too big, and you can easily pick it up with one hand. On the top it has this kind of like a hat looking thing, and on the sides it has fabric mesh. The front houses the lens and all the sensors. There's autofocus, auto keystone sensor. And on the back you have all the functionality, all the inputs. There's 2 USBs, 1 HDMI, 3.5mm audio out, Ethernet port, and this power switch, which is available in the battery version. This model, this unit has a 15,600 milliamp hour battery. The Sky 118 also has a pair of amazing dual 5-watt speakers. You can see for yourself.
So